All right, Ferris Wheel Press sent me some new products that I received that I want to show you. The first is my first carousel fountain pen. And what I love about this pen, it's really easy to fill the ink. It comes with a beautiful carousel horse on the nib that you can kind of see here. And all you have to do is take this bottom part off. You put the tip of the pen in the ink that you want, and you turn it to bring the ink up into the inkwell, and I'll do a more detailed video down the road. What I love about this pen is how simple and easy it is to write with. And here it is. It flowed so easy, and I was even using multimedia paper, which is can be a little tricky. And then here is Sweet Briar Rose. Now this is professional calligraphy ink, so it is waterproof. It is not meant to go into your pens like the pen I just showed you. It's not for a fountain pen or a rollerball pen. Now, Tumultuous Tides is the newest Fairy Tales collection, and this is my favorite color that I have seen so far. It is, to me, it's very magical spell, maybe little glimpse and glimmers of moonlight with the ocean, and it's got like this sea foam. It is gorgeous. This is my favorite color so far from Ferris Wheel Press. I'll say that over and over again. So if you go in the link under my bio and use the link to Ferris Wheel Press, OTL is the code for 10% off. Check it out. Have a great day.